Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, there's cool mission right here. And basically what these are some battery operated LED fairy lights that can use basically anywhere. Especially because of the fact of how it's actually battery operated, so you don't need to plug it in anywhere. And also the fact of how this product is actually waterproof. That is actually really cool as well. So for the one that we got right here, it comes in a pack of 12 of them. You do have the option to get all the same color, or if you guys want to get mix and match of different colors, you definitely have the option available as well. The one that we got right here is the mix and match. So they provide guys like 2 of each color. So there is supposed to be like 2 red, 2 warm white, 2 cool white, 2 green, 2 blue, and 2 purple. And this is from the brand called Brightown. Let me actually open this up to show you guys how to actually use the product and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so first you can see inside they do provide an instruction manual to teach you guys how to use the product. And right underneath that you can see we have the product right here. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 of these right here. And the battery is actually included for you guys, so you guys don't have to buy it unless you guys run out of battery. Then you guys will need to buy a new one. Alright, so when I actually open it up, it looks like they provide guys some extra batteries on here. So there's 2, 4, 6 extra batteries on here. And it looks like there's already the battery that's included in each one already. So if I just take out one of them, you guys can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. So on the top part right here is basically the switch you guys can use to activate it. And the bottom part right here, they do have this little strip that they pull out. And once you guys pull it out, it actually activates the product. So I pull it out and we turn it on. You can see how it lights up. And like I mentioned, these are fairy lights. So once you guys untangle it, it actually hangs out. And inside the package, you can see they do provide guys an accessory right here. That's a little screwdriver. So you basically use that to actually unscrew the actual battery compartment. So that way it's actually replace the battery if you guys do need to. Which is this part right here in the bottom. So you basically unscrew it and then you guys can take out the battery by taking this part out in the side right here. And what's really cool about these fairy lights right here is the fact that it's actually water resistant or waterproof. So if you guys get water on here, it's fine. Just try not to submerge the actual battery compartment, because if you guys do, they won't be waterproof. And also when you guys turn it on, it doesn't feel hot at all. It actually stays cool to touch. So when you guys touch the light bulb, it's not hot at all. But definitely one of the cool things about this product here is the fact that it's wireless. So definitely use and hang this anywhere you want to. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually open up all these and show you guys what it actually looks like. If we were to hang it maybe somewhere around here. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we just finished setting up. If you can see, this is basically actually looks like. Let me actually turn off the light to give you guys a better point of view of the product. Alright, so you see we actually turn off the light. It definitely looks really cool. So we have a green, we have I believe purple, and then cool white. And right here with the warm white, and then right here with the red one, and then right here we have a blue one I believe. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 different colors on here. It actually looks really cool if you can see. So if you guys want to set this as like a backdrop, or if you guys want to set this up somewhere else, maybe on like a curtain or something, you definitely can. If you can see, it actually looks really cool. So definitely see all 6 colors on here. The red one right here is not that clear, so I'm assuming the battery on here is dying or something. But definitely see all the colors on here, definitely looks pretty nice. Alright, so here's another point of view of what the product looks like if you guys set up like this. So you can definitely use it to decorate stuff throughout the house. If you can see. So now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this part right here, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially look for a high quality battery operated LED fairy lights that's very similar to this one right here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.